Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a glass effect to your video on Capcut. So first, just add your clips to Capcut and then just go to overlay and add this image as overlay. So I got this image from TikTok, so you can either find it on TikTok or you can also screenshot it here. Okay, fit the size like this and then click on the overlay and go to cutout and now click on the chroma key and drag the color picker to the pink one. Okay, this one, and adjust the intensity to around 15 and shadow 100. Okay, click on a check icon, then just add 2 keyframes on the main clip in the beginning and also the end, and zoom the clip in on the second keyframe. Okay, and just go to grabs in between a keyframe, then use this custom grab. Okay, click on a check icon and now export the video. After that, you can just go back and go to the second keyframes of the main video again and zoom out the clips to its original size. Okay, and now go to the chroma key on the main clip and drag the color picker to the green color. Sorry, I mean you need to remove the green color from the overlay. Okay. Like this, and now export the video again. Then you can just go back again and delete the overlay in here and then add the first video that you've just exported as overlay. Okay, like this, and now remove the green using the chroma key again. Okay, I'm going to fit the size first. Chroma key, color picker, and drag it to the green color. Then adjust the intensity and also the shadow. Click on a check icon and now add the second video you exported as the overlay. Fit the size. And now remove the pink color also using the chroma key. Okay, and then after that you can just go to click on the first overlay and go to adjust, and now lower the saturation to -50 on both overlays like this, and now you are done. So here is the final result. Okay, so that's how you can make a glass effects to your clips on Capcut. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and subscribe. Bye.